This video shows how to use check-in flows to populate different parts of the Procore daily log. Check-in flows allow you to define different visitor types. The app then lets you ask different questions or collect different information based on the visitor type when they check in. You can then set up the SafeSite Check-in app to load data into Procore Manpower log and Visitor log based on the visitor type. Let's take a look at how this works. When a visitor checks in, you can ask them to identify their visitor type. Admins can set up visitor types by using the Customize option in the Admin app. Check-in flows are used to define visitor types, and you can assign what sites these apply to. If you want to learn more about how to set up check-in flows, take a look at the Customizing the Check-in Experience video. SafeSite Check-in records the visitor type as part of the check-in activity. Here we see that 2 visitors checked in as workers for subcontractors. We also see employee and visitor check-ins. Now let's take a look at how the different visitor types can be loaded into Procore. Here I have a daily schedule to load the manpower log, where I select which visitor types are loaded into Procore. For example, just the subcontractor workers. And when this job runs, it'll tell me exactly how many manpower records are updated, in this case for 2 different subcontractor companies. I've also updated the app to update the Procore visitor log. Here you see that the daily log is only going to update for visitors that identify as employees or visitors. And once this runs, you'll see that Procore was updated with 3 entries to the visitor log. Let's take a quick look to see how these appear in Procore. I see that SafeSite Check-in has updated 2 manpower log records in Procore, showing the total number of workers and hours worked. I also see entries in the visitor log for the 3 visitors that checked in. If you want to learn more about how to set up visitor types and custom check-in flows, then go to the SafeSite Check-in website and then select Resources Help Center to look at tutorial videos. If you have any questions or issues with your site or setup, please email the SafeSite Check-in product team at support@safesitecheckin.com.